Today, we're diving into some exciting details about Google's latest flagship, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This new device comes with a fantastic upgrade in charging speed, but as with most things in tech, there's a catch. So let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the charging capabilities. The Pixel 9 Pro XL supports 37-watt fast charging, which is a significant upgrade from its predecessor's 27-watt. That's right, more power means faster charging, and who doesn't love that? However, this is where the fun begins. Despite the enticing charging speed, there is a notable catch. To access that 37-watt charging, you'll need a compatible USB power delivery PPS charger that meets specific voltage requirements. This can be a bit confusing, especially since many chargers on the market may not meet these new standards. As highlighted in a recent Reddit thread, the Pixel 9 Pro XL doesn't just increase the current to achieve faster charging. Instead, it relies on an increase in charging voltage. This method is typically used in devices with larger batteries like laptops. Higher voltages can yield faster charging, but also come with potential heat and efficiency issues, which can be a concern for users. Now, here's the kicker. Not every charging brick out there supports the higher voltage that the Pixel 9 Pro XL needs. It's possible to have a charger that outputs 40W or more, yet it still might not deliver the 37-watt that the phone craves due to voltage limitations. So, if you're not careful, you might find your fancy new phone charging slower than expected. Let's break down the Pixel 9 Pro XL's charging specs for clarity. Charging speed, 37-watt. Charging technology, USB power delivery PPS. Voltage requirement, up to 18 volts. Interestingly, Google isn't alone in using this higher voltage charging technique. Other brands, such as ASUS with their Zenfone 11 Ultra and ROG Phone 8 Pro, are also leveraging this technology to achieve impressive charging rates like 65 watt. It's becoming more common across the industry. So if you're in the market for a third-party charger that can keep up with the Pixel 9 Pro XL, make sure it supports the required voltage. Some great options include Samsung's 45-watt charger, which can handle up to 20 volts and 2.25 amperes over PPS, or Anker's 45-watt Nano 2, which has similar specs. However, for the safest bet, you can't go wrong with Google's official 45-watt charger. This shift in charging technology opens a conversation about the ongoing challenges of phone charging. With so many different standards and requirements, it's easy for consumers to feel overwhelmed. Sure, Google's increase in charging speed is a welcome move, but the added complexity is sure frustrates some users. If you're planning to buy a Pixel 9 Pro XL, remember to factor in the cost of a compatible charger. And if you're unsure about which charger to get, sticking with Google's official option is your safest bet to avoid any compatibility issues. So what do you think about this new charging technology? Is the faster charging worth the hassle of finding a compatible charger? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.